Welcome back to Zik, the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download NBA 2K25 on Android. So first thing you have to do is you have to open up your Play Store app. So once you're on Play Store, you can see the search bar below your screen. Click on it and click on search apps and games and search for NBA 2K25 and click on search, and it's going to search out this, and this first one is the one you are going to install, right? So make sure you check it through. That same logo of this one and not other ones that are fake or not legit. So after you confirm it's the right one, go ahead to install right here, and once you install, it's going to get installed to your phone. You can see they have extra charges too. You can now install and start using the app. Very simple and easy. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.